Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and product recommendations. Today, we have something special lined up, especially for those looking to surprise their moms this Mother's Day without breaking the bank. We're diving into what might just be the best Mother's Day gift under $20 that you can find online. Here it is, the liberal Brightdeer acrylic nightlight. Now, if you're like me and sometimes struggle to find that perfect gift that's both sentimental and practical, then stick around because this might just be the one you've been looking for. So, what makes this nightlight such a great gift for mom? Well, let's break it down. First off, it's beautifully crafted from acrylic, which not only makes it durable but also gives it that sleek, modern look that fits into any home decor seamlessly. Now, let's talk about features. This little gem emits a warm, comforting yellow light that's perfect for nighttime use without being too harsh on the eyes. It's USB rechargeable, so you can power it up easily with your laptop, phone charger, or any USB port you have handy. But here's where it gets really special. Engraved right here is a heartfelt message that says, "To me, you're the world." Imagine your mom's face lighting up when she sees this glowing tribute to her unconditional love and support. Whether it's Mother's Day, her birthday, Christmas, or just a random day to show your appreciation, this night light is a thoughtful reminder of how much she means to you. It's not just a gift, it's a daily affirmation of your gratitude. And there you have it, folks, the perfect Mother's Day gift under $20. If you're interested in surprising your mom with something she'll cherish, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, take care and happy gifting.